Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, if you're on Windows 11, we already have the new Outlook app replacing the mail and calendar by default. You got nothing you can do about it. And Microsoft has announced that on Windows 10, it will be in February with the February update on Patch Tuesday. The new Outlook will be the new default. It will be what is on your PC, replacing mail and calendar app, whether you like it or not. So another milestone where, well, it's going to be over. Windows 10 and 11 will all be using this new Outlook app. It is getting a little better. There is now support for POP mailboxes, which were not available at the beginning, but I know that it for some people it's still a problem to have this. Basically, the web app kind of transformed into a app on Windows. This is somebody was asking me why you can't keep both. It's a question of security. If you have two, you have to take care of both of them. And that's a problem because you need to have more resources affected so that both of the apps get security updates and updates in general. So that's why when they move on to something, they will, of course, move on to only one app so that they don't have to have too many resources on it. Some people like it, some people don't. And, of course, the big debate also is that some people hate the fact that it's being, forced on you. This is the new app, and this is the way it is, and that's it. But we are there, and that's the way it is, and that's how it works now. So whether you like it or not, of course, there are other options out there, including Thunderbird, which is by Mozilla, if you want to try something else rather than have Microsoft apps. And Windows 10, like I said, Patch Tuesday of February, you will have the new Outlook app default. You won't have any choices. You won't be able to go back to the mailing calendar, unfortunately. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.